Good morning, Confirmation families. Garrett here. I just wanted to go over a couple of the requirements for Confirmation and Foundation classes before we get started. Some of you may have been at the meeting this past week, or for those of you who missed, this will kind of go over what you guys need to know, and you can always ask for clarification on anything later. So first of all, we're excited to have you. There is an attendance requirement. For Confirmation, the attendance requirement is that you need to be at every class. You're allowed to miss 2 per semester, so 4 total. Once you hit 2 in a semester or 4 total, we're going to reach out to you to make sure that everything is okay. For Foundations, you're allowed to miss 1 class per semester, and the reason for that is because there's less than half the classes. We have family formation days, 3 of them throughout the year, in place of regular formation classes. If you are in Confirmation Prep, 7th or 8th grade, you need to attend 2 out of 3 of those. If you're in Foundations, you do need to attend all 3, again, because they're part of your class schedule and you have significantly less classes. So another thing for attendance is that for Confirmation, not Foundations, there are retreats. So there's a retreat for 7th grade and there's a retreat for 8th grade for the Confirmation Prep. November 13th, it is a mandatory retreat, and that is for the 8th graders. November 13th is for the 8th graders, and it is from 8 to 3. So please look at the schedule for anything, any questions you have about dates. We have all the dates in here. And then for 7th grade, your retreat is on March 5th. We also need a couple forms from you if you're preparing for the Sacrament of Confirmation. We are going to need your sacrament form, which is going to be in the welcome packet we will attach. Some of you actually have a copy of this. Please fill this out. Everyone needs to fill the sacrament form out, regardless of whether you are baptized or receive First Communion here. You do need to fill that out. But if you did not receive your sacraments at Divine Mercy, if you did not receive your Second Communion or First Communion here at Divine Mercy, you need to include the attachment to that when you send it back, or bring us a copy of the form, of the other sacrament forms. The other thing is there is a suitability form. So for those sponsors that you've chosen to be with you when you receive your sacrament, we do need the form filled out by the parish priest of wherever the sponsor attends. Okay. Whew, so much. For Confirmation and for Foundations people preparing for Confirmation, there is a service hour requirement. This year, it's 5 hours per semester, and your service hours need to be served within the Catholic Church. It does not need to be local Divine Mercy, but it could be the Catholic Church at large. So Catholic Charities, Turnstiles, another Catholic parish, Fall Festival, and we have a lot of events going on that you can help out here too. Next requirement is there will be homework each week. You will be reminded in the email on Wednesday what that homework entails for each preparation grade. One of those things will be a parent letter, and we will let you know, and we'll send it out in the email, and we'll give it to the kids the week before or 2 weeks before. But go over that, answer the questions at the bottom, and write your answers here. The next thing is 7th and 8th grade and Foundations will be doing a Bible study. The 7th graders are doing the book of Luke, and the 8th graders and the Foundation kids are working on the book of Acts. And we will also attach the Bible study for the year. Please write your answers. Please work with your student on all the homework, and write your answers in a composition notebook and bring it to class. Bring all your homework to class every week so your small group leader can go over it with you. We can also go over the attire requirements for Confirmation. We'll go over it again later, but just so you know, and you can prepare and you can start buying that wonderful outfit, The dress code for confirmation mass, candidates and sponsors, and it'd be great for people in attendance. Red or white colors are encouraged for those getting confirmed. Young men, a suit or a sport coat is preferred. Dress pants, no jeans or cargo pants. Dress shirt and tie. Dress shoes, no sneakers. Gentlemen with long hair must have your forehead exposed for anointing from the abbot this year. Young women, modest dress skirt and blouse. Pantsuit or dress pants and blouse. A dress or skirt must be no shorter than 1 inch above the knee. Chest, back, and shoulders must be covered. And when fixing your hair, again, your forehead must be uncovered for anointing from the abbot. And we're going to wear dress shoes, no sneakers. If you have any other questions, you can always reach out to us, but we're also including all of this in the email as attachments that you can download and print. Thank you so much, and we'll see you this coming Sunday at 9:10 a.m. and religious formation is going to start in the church at 9:10 a.m. with a prayer service, and then we'll all go to our respective classrooms. Talk to you guys soon.